What's up guys? In this video, I will show you how to reset your Chromecast with Google TV back to factory default settings. Now there are a couple of reasons why you might want to do this. So take for instance, you want to sell off your device or give it out, and you don't want to give it out with all of your data stored in the Chromecast with Google TV device already, or just say you want to start afresh with the Chromecast with Google TV device. In any of these cases, resetting your Chromecast with Google TV device back to factory default setting can be very useful. So to reset your device, what you want to do is from the home of your Chromecast with Google TV device, you just want to go over to the settings of your Chromecast with Google TV device, just like so. Click on the settings icon. Now you just want to scroll down until you get to system over here. Click on system, and then you want to scroll down again until you get to about over here. Click on about, and now you're going to see the factory reset option over here. Now you want to go ahead and click on it, just like so, and then you're going to see over here that all of your data and accounts and files and even downloaded files will be deleted once this is done. So if you accept that, you want to scroll down and then go ahead and click on factory reset over here. Now you also want to scroll down and then click on erase everything, and automatically the factory resetting process will start on your Chromecast with Google TV device. Now you want to go ahead and give it a minute or two, and it's going to show the Google logo on your TV, indicating that the device is now erasing everything. Now finally, you can go ahead and start setting up the whole process again on your Chromecast with Google TV device. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.